if you're building an e-commerce brand, if at all possible, you gotta have a product demo done. If you can do it as UCG and have other people demonstrate how they use your product, it's even better. But check this out. Here's one of my favorites. All right, let's see if I can find it. This is a Tusky water flosser. Okay, this is a TikTok ad.
It's faster and more effective than string flossing.
I think I bought this ad within like 4 seconds, or I bought this product. Scrolling through TikTok. I could get better at flossing. Who couldn't? But I hate it, right? It's a total pain in the ass. But 4 seconds into this ad, boom, add to cart, convert. This is so simple. It shows the product being used by someone else. So, and there's a nice little offer, right? 30% off today only. That ad's been running for about a month though, so I'm not sure if that today only thing is valid, but whatever, you get the point. So the last one is a simple product demo.